Hey guys, welcome back to the Money Crash Course where we share the best advice to make you financially successful. In today's video, we'll share with you the best investing tips from TikTok that you can start implementing today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you find the content useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Hey, someone just commented saying that they're going to buy a house next year. You have any advice?
Yes, do not put a down payment on a house if you're not required to. It could cost you millions of dollars.
Why?
Let me show you. Always do the smallest down payment possible. As an example, you're 25 years old buying your first house at 3% interest. You're going to do a 20% down payment like everyone tells you. That's $60,000. Your monthly mortgage is $1,000. You're going to pay around $124,000 of interest and your house is paid off. But what did you get? Zero compounding, zero retirement income. Let's do it my way. Smallest down payment, let's say 3%, $9,000 going to down payment, but now you have $51,000 to compound. $1,200 a month in mortgage, and you're going to pay this much interest, a little bit more, but your house is still paid off. But now you have up to $894,000 in compounding, $89,000 tax-free retirement income, and up to $3 million in total retirement income. I'm Curtis Ray. Seriously, always be compounding.
I'm going to show you how to find stocks in an uptrend. Before I show you how to scan for stocks, I need to show everyone this. Most people try to buy stocks here and sell stocks here, not understanding that most stocks that are in an uptrend go like this. So the goal is to buy stocks at these specific pullbacks in an uptrend. To find the stocks, go ahead and go to finviz.com and click on the screener tab. From there, click the tab that says all and look for the option that says 52-week high-low. Click that and then click 70% or more above the low. This is going to give you a list of stocks that are in a strong uptrend. Click volume twice. Now you're going to see the strong uptrending stocks with a lot of volume.
6 things that most people do that the rich don't. Let's see how you score. Most people get paid for their time. Rich people get paid for their value. Most people think they know all there is to know. Rich people are always learning. Most people blame others. Rich people take responsibilities for their failures. Most people watch TV. Rich people read books. Most people focus on savings. Rich people focus on investing. Most people drift through life without a plan. Rich people have a plan of action. Let me know how you scored in the comments.
Here's the 20% rule and what you need to know about it. Knowing this will save you a lot of money. When buying a house, you want to make sure you put at least 20% as down payment. It lowers your monthly mortgage, increases the chance of being approved for a loan, and assures that you don't buy a house that you cannot afford. Both.
What if I could show you an easy formula to guarantee that your children and grandchildren will all be millionaires? Let me show you. This is an easy mathematical equation for calculating and anticipating compound interest formulas for your money. So let's keep it easy. Let's just say you invested $10 in the S&P 500 indexed fund, and you wanted to leave it there for 100 years so you're able to take advantage of compound interest at its highest altitudes. Based on historical public data, it shows that your money would have doubled about 14.2 times, turning your $10 into $82,000. That is the advantage and power of compounding and how you can guarantee your family will be millionaires even if you're not around. I got the numbers based on this graph. And thank you for learning compound interest for you.
Here's the secret to becoming rich. Rich people don't want you to know this. This is Kate and this is Kevin. Kate makes $100K per year and Kevin makes $50K per year. Who is actually richer? Kate works 40 hours a week and makes $50 an hour. Kevin works 20 hours a week and makes $50 an hour. Kate's rent is $1,000 a month and she spends $100 for a nice meal, while Kevin's rent is $300 a month and he spends $20 for a nice meal. Kate is tied down to her location and has no free time, and Kevin is not tied down to his location. He can move anywhere and he has a bunch of free time. So let me ask you again, who is richer?